friends, a very warm welcome from Spirituality Health Inner Values Academy. My name is Hina Bhatia and today we will learn about the secret science of yoga. Many a times when we say this word yoga or yog or meditation, we think that it is very difficult, and whenever we try to do it, we are not able to concentrate. So before we start today and we learn about yoga, there is one very important aspect that we all need to know, which is self-realization, which means having knowledge about the self. So to realize the self first, that I am the consciousness, eternal soul living in this body and performing all the actions through this body. So I am the point of divine light, subtle energy at the center of the forehead, at the central cortex between hypothalamus and pituitary gland, which is the source of all the activities, and science also agrees with the same. So without understanding this simple fact, everything is baseless. Also, according to Patanjali and Raja Yoga meditation of Brahma Kumaris, it is the consciousness who is the ruler of the five senses, thoughts and intellect, and not the mind, which we have been taught since childhood. So in fact, in reality, the so-called mind never exists, but only the thoughts exist. So when I, the consciousness, create thoughts, we call it as mind. So the first one is having knowledge about the self. That means realizing the self, who I am. So I am the consciousness at the center of the forehead. So yoga means to become self-aware. So first one is having the knowledge about the self, and the second is to become self-aware. And yoga means to become self-aware and get back the kingdom of thoughts and five senses and rule them efficiently, which means having control over your thoughts and five senses and become the king and the ruler of this whole existence. Now, how to do it? How to become self-aware? So it is a process of bringing back all the attention to the self. Bringing back all the attention to the self from where? Usually in natural course of actions, you will see that our attention is diverted on the outside world, worldly objects, people, body, five senses, even thoughts, unconsciously. That means we have unconsciously given the power to the outside world, to our five senses and thoughts. And we became slave to the automatic, ways of thinking, automatic habits of past learning. So yoga means to wake up, waking up, becoming soul conscious and giving up all the addictions to the past learning, old thoughts, by becoming self-aware. Now, how long is it going to take to become self-aware by practicing yoga? It just takes a second, 1 second, to understand yoga, to understand and remain in this consciousness for all the time. And the time is now. Now or never. You have to decide. So here are few steps and let us practice now. We also see that we have been evolving into a lot of activities and actions since our birth till today. So let me take a pause now. Let me take a pause now. Become still for a moment. Still. Look at the objects in front. Hear the sounds. Feel the breeze. Smell. Taste. Be aware of all your five senses. Now, for a moment, let me detach myself from the external objects. Let me detach from my five senses by relaxation. that is from your body. So my body is feeling relaxed. Let me detach my awareness from my thoughts also. I just feel the stillness and silence around me. This consciousness, this silence I feel at the center of my eyebrows is known as third eye. So it is at the third eye, which is me, the point of consciousness located at the center of my forehead. I see, hear, feel, taste, and smell from this point of consciousness at the forehead. Now slowly, let me detach even from this feeling and experience and become self-aware at the third eye. I become aware at the third eye, looking at all the objects in front of my eyes through the third eye as an observer, sitting at the center of my forehead and looking through the windows of my physical eyes when I use my eyes and other senses with this awareness of third eye, with this point of self-awareness at the center of the forehead, I become the ruler of my five senses. I can involve and perform all the actions through this self-awareness at the third eye. And when I perform all my actions through this self-awareness, it becomes natural and easy for me to remain connected with the Supreme Divine, and all my actions become Karam Yoga. So on this International Day of Yoga, let us regain our lost awareness and lead a yogi life to establish a Mahabharat of one world family of God. Thank you.